You ready for me?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do this. All right, guys. We all know there is no shortage of mortgage loan officers out there, but there's only one Rachel Doll. And I don't want you to let this plastic exterior fool you. This one's got a heart warmer than a heated throw blanket and radiates sunshine like it's her full-time job. Strategic and knowledgeable, yes. Positivity, off the charts. Professionalism, all day long. Batteries not included. She runs on pure good vibes. Next slide, please. I'm throwing a lot at you in this slide, so we're going to go one by one. All right. Number one, and not in order of importance, but this one is very important to me. This is my boy, my only boy. His name is Murphy Needle. He's 8 years old. He's our golden doodle. And in slide number two, I am in a photograph with a few of the board members and volunteers for Rebuilding Together Montgomery County. I am on the board of this amazing nonprofit that helps people do essential home repairs. They are living under the poverty line, and we go in and we do repairs for them in their homes at no charge. In the third photo, this is a testimonial that I got actually like yesterday. And I live for these testimonials. When my clients ask me what's most important, I say that review at the end. That's really what I care about, is that they felt like I came through for them. Number four, this is my family, my husband Brian and my two precious daughters. They are the love of my life. And in number five, this is a photograph of me. I was walking behind my girls who are very, very good, close to one another. And we were in California where I grew up, and I love to go hiking. So that was a picture that I felt was important. And number six, bingo. Bingo came about because I was feeling so deflated about the division and the polarizing kind of feelings that we're having in the world today. And I felt like, God, I can do something about this. I'm a connector. I want to bring people together. And so I kind of ran with this idea about 10 months ago. I launched my very first game, and this is a monthly charity bingo game. I invite everybody that I know to come play bingo, and we raise money for a local nonprofit every single month. And I have different partners each month and different nonprofit that we're raising money for. Number seven, hope I'm okay on time. This is my other passion, Pilates. Um, 4 years ago, I went to my very first Pilates class. I barely exercised. I felt so out of shape. And I just completely fell in love with the way that it gives me a sense of control and strength. I go almost every morning, and it's my way of stretching and breathing and feeling grounded. Number eight, it's a compilation of a lot of the closings that I've had, or maybe some of my favorites. I go to every single closing. This is not something that most lenders do. I hear this all the time. Can't remember the last time a lender came to closing. I'm like, what are you talking about? This is the best time. We're celebrating that somebody bought a new home, and I am not going to miss that moment. Number nine, this is my wedding photo in 2004. God, we were so clueless. What did we know about being married? It's such a hard thing to do. But in 2025, in February, we took a little belated 20th wedding anniversary trip to Dominican Republic. And I'm so proud that we have toughed it out, and despite challenges, have stayed together, and we have a great family. And ending on a high note, which is my parents, who are like my ground beneath my feet and my biggest supporters. They live in San Francisco, where I grew up, in the home that I grew up in still, and they're coming for Thanksgiving. Okay, that's hopefully I didn't exhaust you with that. Crazy. All right. Best referrals for me. I am purpose driven. Home is the foundation for everything that truly matters. And it is the key to building stability and wealth. And that is my why. At the end of the day, if I can help somebody buy a home that didn't think that they could buy a home, wow, I have accomplished what I am setting out to do with my life. And my empathy, my listening skills, my warmth, my commitment to advocating for my clients' best interest is what sets me apart. It is most meaningful for people who are first-time home buyers, someone that's divorcing, needs to refinance or buy, women who are buying on their own and are nervous, families that need more space and are looking to move and they just want that warm hug all the way through the process. Last slide. I have a favor to ask of you. If we aren't already, can we please be friends? Would you please, please, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn? I post all the time. I feel like if no one else is going to sell me and I have to be my own best advocate, so I would love for you to follow me and engage with me. And I think feel like I'm probably out of time, but this last testimonial means so much for me. Rachel was absolutely fabulous and amazing to work with. Her knowledge, expertise, and professionalism is a gem. She's compassionate about her work. She went above and beyond to make sure we understood the process and were comfortable. And they were grateful to work with me. And I am so grateful to be a part of this fantastic group. I really, truly appreciate your time and your attention this morning. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Rachel. Let's switch it back over to the slides. That was an excellent job. Let's see.